Hello, welcome back to our channel. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to send disappearing photos and videos on Instagram. If you want to send a photo or video and you want them to be able to see it, say once or twice, but not keep it around forever, maybe it's something embarrassing that you don't want to be sticking around for years and years. You can always set it to disappear. To do that, I'll show you. So we'll open up the Instagram app here, and you can see I'll tap the message on the right top corner. I'm going to tap my other account. Now, there's two different ways that you can send photos and videos, and only one allows you to make sure that it disappears after a bit of time. And to do that, we're gonna tap on the camera here on the left lower part. Now, you can record a photo here or a video by just tapping record photo here. Or you can take a video. So those are two different ways you can record once. However, if you just want to send something from your gallery, you go to the bottom left here and you can choose random photo here. And then at the bottom left, you can see allow replay, keep in chat, or just view once. So if you don't want it to stick around forever, either choose allow replay, which will allow them to watch it twice or once, or you can choose to keep and chat or view once. The only one that will allow it to disappear is the view once and allow replay. Hit send at the bottom, and that will send the video or photo over them, and it will disappear after viewing either once or twice. So let's open that, and here we will view photo, and there you go, it's already gone. So I hope this helps. If you have questions, just put it in the comment section below, and if not, don't forget to subscribe and like.